Ever felt that mini heart attack when you're about to check your credit score, but you're staring blankly at the password field, completely drawing a blank? Yeah, we've all been there. It's frustrating, it's anxiety-inducing, and it can throw off your whole day. Today, we're tackling that exact problem head-on. We're going to walk you through exactly how to reset your Credit Karma password, step by step, so you can get back to managing your finances with peace of mind. Now, before we dive into the how-to, let's quickly touch on why this is so important. Your credit score is a crucial piece of your financial puzzle. It affects everything from your ability to get a loan to the interest rates you qualify for. Regularly checking your credit report and score, which Credit Karma makes easy, is vital for staying on top of your financial health. But, of course, you can't do that if you can't access your account. Think about it. Your credit information is sensitive. It's personal. And it's something you want to protect. That's why having a secure password is so important. And, let's be honest, passwords are a pain. We have so many accounts these days, it's easy to forget them. That's where password resets come in. They're a necessary evil, but they're also a lifeline when you're locked out. So, let's get you back in. First things first, head over to the Credit Karma website. Don't worry, I'll put a link in the description below so you can get there directly. Once you're on the home page, look for the Sign In button. It's usually located at the top right of the page. Click on it. Now, instead of entering your password, because, well, that's why you're here, look for a link that says something like Forgot Password or Reset Password. The exact wording might vary slightly, but it will be somewhere near the password field. Click on that link. This is where Credit Karma is going to ask you to verify your identity. This is a crucial step. They need to make sure it's really you trying to access your account and not someone else. Usually, they'll give you a few options for verification. One common option is to enter the email address associated with your Credit Karma account. Another option might be to answer some security questions you set up when you first created your account. These questions might be things like your mother's maiden name, the city you were born in, or the name of your first pet. Choose the verification method that works best for you. Once you've entered the required information, Credit Karma will send you an email with instructions on how to reset your password. This email should arrive in your inbox within a few minutes. If you don't see it, be sure to check your spam or junk folder. Sometimes these emails accidentally end up there. Open the email from Credit Karma. Inside, you'll find a link to a password reset page. Click on that link. This will take you to a page where you can create a new password for your account. Now, this is where you need to be smart about your password choice. Don't just pick something easy to remember. A strong password is your first line of defense against unauthorized access. Think about using a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. A good strategy is to use a phrase that's meaningful to you, but then tweak it slightly by replacing some letters with numbers or symbols. For example, if your phrase is "I love Credit Karma," you could turn it into something like 1L0V3CR3DITK at RMA. It's still somewhat memorable, but it's much harder for someone to guess. Most importantly, don't reuse the same password for multiple accounts. If someone manages to crack one of your passwords, they'll have access to all your accounts that use the same password. That's a recipe for disaster. Consider using a password manager. These tools can generate and store strong passwords for all your different accounts, so you only have to remember one master password. Once you've chosen a strong password, enter it in the designated field on the password reset page. You'll usually have to enter it twice to confirm that you've typed it correctly. Make sure the two entries match exactly. After you've confirmed your new password, click the Submit or Reset Password button. Credit Karma will then update your password and log you into your account. Congratulations! You've successfully reset your Credit Karma password. Now, you can go ahead and check your credit score, review your credit report, and take advantage of all the other tools that Credit Karma offers. Remember, staying informed about your credit is a key part of managing your finances effectively. One last thing, if you have any trouble with the password reset process, don't hesitate to contact Credit Karma's customer support. They're there to help you. You can usually find their contact information on the Credit Karma website. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.